Today I'm going to be using a HairFin, which can be mounted on either hand and lets you measure hair while holding it in place for cutting at the same time. The HairFin comes in 2, 3, and 4-inch sizes, and I'm starting here with the 3-inch size. And the way I use it is I comb my fingers through the hair to grasp it at the base, and then using the curve of the HairFin, I rock my hand, pulling the hair straight, and then trim any hair that comes out above my hand. As long as I keep my hand parallel to the head with the hairfin coming out below my palm, I know that I'm going to get an even 3-inch cut. I'm not a hairdresser, and this is the first time that I'm using the hairfin on somebody else. And one of the things that I didn't do here that would have been helpful was to wet the hair. I was being lazy and in a rush, but if you take some time to wet the hair, that'll help it clump together, and then you don't have stray hairs escaping you. And now I'm just finishing up with the 3-inch hairfin on the top of the head, and then I'm going to be moving over now to use the 2-inch hairfin for cutting the side of the head. And one of the things that I'm going to be doing differently on the side is I'm keeping my hand vertical. And the reason I'm doing that is because I just want to follow the profile of the side of the head all the way up and fade the 2-inch into the 3-inch hair. So at the bottom of the head, I'm going to be just cutting it like the regular 2-inch, but then as I get towards the top of the head here, what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to keep resting the hairfin on the side of the head while keeping my hand going up vertically and fading that 3-inch hair into the 2-inch hair. So here I am, finished on the sides, and I'm just going through real quick to try and see if I can pick up any loose hairs that I might have missed. Again, this might have been easier if I had wet the hair. And for somebody who's not a professional hairdresser, I think that this came out really good. My mom was happy with the cut, and I think it looked perfect, and she was happy with it too. So even if you're not a hairdresser, you can still get professional results using the HairFin.